Hey, what's happening, guys? Back again for yet another vlog. Couple trips to Mexico in this one. Do my little control arms, pull them out. Find I've busted the ball joint that I hit the side that I hit the wall on the other weekend, but that's not too big of a drama either. Yeah, just pretty much let it play through and hope you like it. Right guys, here we are. Sorry, 35 degrees today. It's boiling as back at the Cressida, living a dream. It's got both the front little control arms out, and going to cut and shut and put heaps of cool things in there and make them longer and get mad stance out of it. Have seen it in person, James.
Hello.
Hello, it's Jamesy. Big cars and that.
Big cars and that.
Right, that pretty much consists of the vlog today. See a little Sunday, a bit of mucking around, a bit of things going on. If you liked it, smack the like button, hit subscribe, it really helps. When I hit the 100 subscriber mark, like it's actually going pretty well considering it's only been a month. Help us get there, share the video, thank you.